There are 4 new things inside the Jasper AI and I want to show them very quickly in this video. Welcome back, this is Digital Toolcase and this is Jasper AI, still the best AI writing tool you can find on the market. If you want, you can try Jasper for free, you can use 10,000 words for free in 5 days. You just need to click on the link you find here below this video in my description, it's my affiliate link, and you will have the chance to try also these new little things you can see here. Very quickly, number 1, as you can see, it's a slightly changed design. If you watch my previous videos, you can maybe see something different, not too much, but for example, you can see this project selector is now here at the top. The order of this menu is slightly changed. The setting menu is slightly changed. This templates section is a little bit different. They are quite bigger now. You find the new search feature here, and nothing revolutionary, but this is a slight look change for Jasper, maybe because something new is coming, we don't know. Anyway, this was the first thing. The second thing is that this content summarizer template is boss mode exclusive, the same as the editor, the long form editor. I don't remember if this content summarizer was already here, because there is another template and it's called the text summarizer. It's slightly different. The text summarizer simply takes your text. You can insert a text here up to 800 characters and you will have a shorter version. The other one, the content summarizer, is slightly different because you can insert your text here and you will get a bullet point piece of content. Let's try something. Okay, as you can see, I copied here a bunch of text and you can see it's 1500 characters, but here you can insert up to 12,000 characters. So I think an entire blog article, and you can have a short version in a bullet point format. So let's try to generate with this content summarizer and let's see our output. As you can see, it's extracting a very short key point. So let's call them key takeaways, for example. If you want, you can stop the video and read all this piece of text and read these summarized bullet points. Another new template you can find now inside Jasper AI is this Listical one. They released the one-shot blog post some weeks ago. They released before the mini VSL, video sales letter template, and now also the Listical one. You can write listicles with the long form editor, but as of today they are not exclusive to boss mode. Only these two at the moment are exclusive to boss mode. So I think you can use the Listical one even if you don't have the boss mode. I don't know until when. If I go here, you can generate very quickly a listicle kind of article. Let's try something. Here I need to insert my topic, let's say for example best-selling music artists in history. Here I need to decide my list count. I want for example 5 paragraphs in my listicle, and here I can choose a tone of voice, let's say witty in this case, and I can generate up to how much I want outputs. Let's select just one in this case, and let's wait a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, I now have a very quick listicle kind of article, but just the listicle part. So I don't have any introduction, I don't have any conclusion here, so I can use this central part of my article to build something longer. This is just a way to have a quick central part of my article with this listicle template. What can I do now? I can, for example, use this listicle in a document. If I click here, I can open this in a document. I can generate an introduction, I can generate a conclusion, and here I can, for example, use the one-shot blog post to expand all these paragraphs. For example, let me take this. This is the one. So here I insert my topic. The Beatles are the best-selling music artists in history. Okay, let's give Jasper some context here. Let's say witty here. Let's change here with music passionates. Here we can say English and English. American. Perfect. Generate AI content. Now, I think Jasper will generate a longer paragraph or an entire blog post, but just about the Beatles, because I want to expand this first paragraph. Let's wait a few seconds. And here it is. As you can see, I have an introduction, I have a blog body, I have a very long article. In this case, I also have an introduction and a conclusion because it's generating an entire article, but I can use some parts of this. For example, let's say I like this part. Now I'm just doing this very quickly just to show you what you can do with all these new templates, and I can, for example, expand my first paragraph here, and it's becoming very long, and do the same thing maybe with other artists, and then generate an introduction and a conclusion, and you will have very quickly a quite good article. I think in this case it can be 1500 words or maybe even more. Now I'm again in the templates part in Jasper, and as you can see we also have this new template. It's called the job description. It's really in beta because this is the beta version of Jasper AI. Here you can, for example, generate some job descriptions output, and you can maybe use them when you are searching for employees for your company. Now, very quickly, I made up something here. Company name Jasper, position title affiliate marketing manager, some bullet points here in the description, and a very short description just to try how this new template works. Let me generate and let's see how this output is. Okay, as you can see, this is an entire job description generated by AI, offer details, competitive salary, plus bonus scheme, plus equity options. It's saying this thing a little better and a little bit different. Again, this is a beta version of Jasper AI. I don't know why I'm seeing it, if it's released or not. I don't think so. Maybe it's just temporary. Maybe they are just testing it out. So I don't know when it will be released in this format. Anyway, you just saw a sneak peek of the new Jasper AI dashboard, if it will be this one. Again, if you want, you can try Jasper for free for 5 days, 10,000 words for free by clicking my affiliate link here below in the description. You will have to insert your credit card, but you will not be charged for the first 5 days, so there is no problem. If you don't like it, you can cancel your account. It's all for this video. As always, thank you for watching. If you want, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel so you will help me to grow my channel, and see you soon in another one.